Just matching with my nail paint.
I love a bit of drama.
Go fast. Hi you guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Cherry. So if you're new here, then please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me if you do this for me. So today's video is basically about a Christmas makeup look, if you have already seen the title, and I'm so excited about this one, and I think it's looking quite good and pretty decent. You can wear this of course at a party and whatnot. Oh my god, this kajal is just taking my heart, and you know what, like, I'm the green kajal after ages. I don't apply usually, okay? So I'm just loving the look basically. So yep, this is how it turned out and I hope you will enjoy it. So yep, let's just get started with today's video. Okay, so I have just zoomed the camera in so that you can have a look at what's happening on my face, and I have did my base, foundation, concealer and skincare of course pehle, because if I do that then it would be too long, like the video will be too long. So the main focus is to be the like Christmas eye makeup look, so that's what it is. And let's just go with the red lips, maybe red or maroon, I'm not sure, but yep, the planning is that only, that I have to go with the red lipstick because it's been a while when red lipstick nahi lagaya. So I'm excited for that, and Christmas is, so why not, let's go with the red lipstick. Let's go do very simple. Baja lo horn.
Why are you running?
So we're gonna do a very simple eye makeup look today for Christmas, because the motive is that आप वो Christmas eye makeup look जो मैं अभी बताऊंगी वो आप बाहर पहन के भी, like पहन के बोल रही हूँ,
कौन है ये लोग?
आप बाहर करके भी उसको जा सकते हैं. Just gonna do this powdery thing under eyes के यहाँ पे, because जो भी आई शेडो के फॉल आउट्स होंगे then it would be wipe off and under eye भी बेक हो जाएगी तब तक. So I'm using this My Glam Glow to Glamour fixing powder. This one is a shimmer thing and this is the like a normal powder, तो मैं वो normal powder use कर रही हूँ. एक sponge भी आता है यहाँ पे जो कुछ इस तरीके का दिखता है. वाह, सारा पाउडर मेरे हाथ में आ गया. गonna do like this, इसमें थोड़ा सा पाउडर है ऑलरेडी and I'm just gonna do this. भूत बन जाऊंगी मैं. तो अभी पूरे वीडियो में मैं ऐसे ही दिखूंगी जब तक हमारा आई मेकअप लुक कंप्लीट नहीं हो जाता. आई थिंक आई एम गोना वाइप इट ऑफ इन बिटवीन ऑल्सो. ठीक है, आई एम टेकिंग दिस मनीष मल्होत्रा's आई शेडो पैलेट. इट्स इन द शेड आई थिंक एन्चांटे, yeah, and I'm just taking this shade. This is the like nudist shade. I'm just taking this to just, you know, create a crease line. Yeah, if you can see the effect already, crease line बन चुकी है हमारी. You know, it's like mandatory, it should be perfect all the time because blending से ही सब कुछ होता है, blending से ही सारा look दिखता है. So the more you blend, the more flawless makeup you'll get. अभी मैं ये जो shimmer shade यहाँ पे दिख रहा है वो use करूँगी with the help of hands only. This is how it is looking at the moment. Now I'm just gonna apply the eyeliner. Also I'm just gonna mention all the product link on my description box, तो आपको कुछ भी अच्छा लगता है तो can just go and check it out directly. You can look the effect already. यहाँ पे पूरा क्या बोलते हैं, निखर गया है, like curled up हो गया है यार.
You got it, dude.
So I'm gonna use this Lakme eyeliner and maybe sugar in between, but फिलहाल तो I'll just use this Lakme one. So I'll just quickly apply the eyeliner and come in 3, 2, 1, go. So I'm just gonna wipe it off this now. Apply this Manish Malhotra's mascara in the shade Dark Night, and oh my god, the volume of this is crazy. You should definitely give it a try because this mascara will just, you're gonna totally love it, I bet you. So yeah, this mascara is really worth it. Just look the volume of both of the eyes of the eyelashes, it's amazing. So now I'm just gonna apply this kajal and it's from Sugar. It's in the shade 07 Peacock. Let's apply this. I'm excited for this one. Very smoothly apply ho raha hai, so a big thumbs up to this kajal. Look how stunning it is looking already. I'm in love with it, of course. The texture is, I love it.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna do my eyebrows फटाफट से. I'm just gonna use this eyeshadow palette only for my eyebrows because I have eyebrow powder also from My Glam, but I'm not using that because वो अंदर रखा हुआ है and मुझे उठ के नहीं जाना. This black eyeshadow. Also, I just bought this cute rings.
तो क्या नाचो मैं?
I'm just gonna apply eyelashes. So now I'm just gonna quickly do my blush, contour and highlighter thing. So I'm gonna use this My Glam Cheesy Lid Contour Kit for my blusher. This is how it looks from inside. Done with my contour too. Okay, so now comes the final part, and that is lipstick. I'm just gonna mix these two shades, and this one is from My Glam and this one is from Studio West. So this is the proper red color Studio West wala, and this is the like wineish color My Glam wala. So I'm just gonna mix these two shades and let's see क्या results आता है. This is how the proper red look likes, and I'm not liking it at all. So I'm just gonna mix it, of course, with this wine shade. I think this shade looks perfect. Okay, मैं एक चीज़ तो करना भूल ही गई. मैं लिप लाइनर लगाना तो भूल ही गई. मैं हर बार लगाती हूँ, हर बार. एंड आई डोंट नो, पता नहीं आज कैसे भूल गई. मे बी डार्क लिपस्टिक के सोचने की वजह से मैं भूल गई. But yeah, I'm just gonna apply it now. I'm just gonna apply this lip liner. It's in the shade VSCO from My Glam. I'm just gonna fix it where it is looking like uneven or not in shape. I was so excited for this Christmas makeup look because बचपन से ही मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है ये पूरा मंथ दिसंबर का एंड देन क्रिसमस का क्रिसमस त्यौहार मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है लाइक बचपन से आई जस्ट लव इट द लव ऑल द वाइब and yep, that was the reason I was so excited for this video. Like this was my first ever Christmas makeup look on my YouTube channel. So yeah, this is how my final look looks like. And yeah, I think it's quite pretty simple, pretty easy, and you can do this look at a party wear, at even at a wedding. So it's just gonna look gorgeous. So yep, that is it about my whole Christmas makeup look video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if yes, then please hit the like button and share it with your friends, families and loved ones. If you enjoy my content in any manner, then please subscribe to my channel and share this video as much as you can because I really need your support as I'm new here. So yep, and yep, I'll see you guys next time on my next video. Until then, bye, take care.